Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BlockFi. Closed, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with BlockFi, begin by visiting the official BlockFi website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow the guidelines for password strength. Once you've input your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from BlockFi. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This will redirect you back to the BlockFi website. You may now be required to provide additional personal information. Fill in your full name, phone number, and date of birth. Select your residency country from the drop-down menu. Continue by entering your residential address. Provide any additional information as requested, including financial details. After filling in the required fields, review the terms and conditions. Be sure to read through the privacy policy as well. If you agree to the terms, check the box to agree. After this, click on the Continue button to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through an identification document. This could involve uploading a government-issued ID and a proof of address. Follow the on-screen instructions for submitting the required documents. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your account using your email and password. At this point, you can set up two-factor authentication for added security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. After setting up two-factor authentication, your account is nearly ready. You can now link your bank account or cryptocurrency wallet to fund your BlockFi account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.